How to fix the NVIDIA GeForce Now login problem. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to fix the NVIDIA GeForce Now login problem. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes a weak connection can cause login issues. Next, close NVIDIA GeForce Now completely and reopen it. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. Now, clear the cache of the NVIDIA GeForce Now app. This can help if corrupted data is causing the issue. Make sure you have the latest version of the NVIDIA GeForce Now app installed. After that, check for updates in your App Store. If the service isn't available in your region, try using a VPN to connect to a server in a supported region. Uninstall and then reinstall NVIDIA GeForce Now. This can fix issues caused by corrupted app files. Lastly, ensure your NVIDIA account credentials are correct and that you're able to log in to the NVIDIA website. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.